we have started our letters, each week I will post a little video that has a few options for you and your child to practice at home. So for this week, our first letter that we're going to start off with is letter H. And so for each letter, we have a little poem and a little sentence refrain and how to form that letter. So when we form our letters, we always start at the top. So for capital H, we make 2 lines, high to low. So we go high to low, and then we connect the lines to say hello. And then for lowercase h, we go high to low, and then jump back up. For lowercase is h. For lowercase h is little up. And letter H makes the sound. So the way homework will work is you and your child together can choose one of the four options to practice that letter. If your child is really creative and they have a different activity, I'm fine with that. As long as they're practicing that letter, I am good. So what you'll do is you'll take a picture of your child doing their homework, and you can add it to their dojo portfolio. If that's not working for you, you can always just send it to me as a message through dojo. Then the next day, I'll let them look at their homework picture, and they'll get to color in their chart for the letter that they practiced. Once that they have submitted 6 homework practices, they'll get to feed their brain, so they'll get to pick a little treat. Sometimes I have students practice the same letter 3 or 4 different ways. So once they practice 6 times on, it might be 6 different letters. It could potentially be the same letter 6 times. They'll get to feed their brain. So our options for letter H, you can take Play-Doh and write letter H in Play-Doh. So you just take a ball of Play-Doh, flatten it out, and you could use a pencil or a golf tee works really well. They could use their fingertip and write capital H and lowercase h in the Play-Doh. Repetition is key here. Make them do it over and over again, for, 5 minutes, 10 minutes if they're into it. See how many times they can do it. Instead of just doing it once or twice, the more they do it, the better it'll stick with them. You could use candy to make a letter H. I know that says heart H's. It doesn't have to be heart candy. It can be really any candy. They can build capital H and lowercase h. And then this is a fun option too. They can hammer capital H and lowercase h. So if you take some styrofoam or some cardboard and write an H on it, and if you have any golf tees laying around, they can hammer in the golf tees to make a capital H or a lowercase h. And the last option is they can finish their paper. You don't have to send the paper back to school. If you just take a picture of them writing their capital H's or lowercase h's, that is sufficient for me. Also, if you ever have any questions on how homework works, just let me know.